Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the rest of the part of chapter 8. First point, strip cropping. It's a one kind of method of soil conservation. It is also known as multiple cropping. In this method, different crops are shown in alternate strips to prevent soil erosion. It is used when a slope is too steep or when there is no alternative method to preventing soil erosion. Next point, contour bounding. In this method, soil is conserved by making walls or embankments made of mud along contour lines to prevent soil erosion. Crop rotation. It's another effective way of soil conservation. When the same type of crop is grown on a particular land year after year, the fertility of the soil decreases. Hence, to prevent the decline in soil fertility, different crops are planted in a systematic manner. Different crops have different requirements of soil nutrients. In this method, generally a nutrient depleting crop is grown in one season and a nutrient supplying crop grown in another season. Fallowing. What is fallowing? A piece of land that is normally used for farming but that is left with no crops on it for a season in order to let it recover its fertility. In this method, the land is permitted to rest in order to rejuvenate itself over a period of time. Means the nature's way of getting back the natural nutrients lost over a period of continuous cultivation. Fallowing permits the moisture content of the soil to increase. Bushes, grass begin to grow, thereby protecting the soil from water and wind erosion. A general improvement in the structure and texture of the soil also takes place. Okay.